idea that is batch is a bit different. ये लोग बहुत question करते हैं. The thing was like that. Question करते हैं कि मैं देखते हैं. So I went to the class and I remember a full packed class with eager eyes all staring at me. And I starting country law 1, Muslim law. And here this fellow sitting there. Do you remember? This fellow, another fellow was there. They used to be attentive in the class, listen to each and every wording of mine, and then they used to be very happy after the class. But I used to think myself, चलो आज की क्लास तो अच्छे से ली. Family law 1, Muslim law में मैं पास हो गई. It was like that. But the way they used to question also enlightened my knowledge. And I remember while reading Indian Succession Act, till now, no class attends this lecture regularly. But it was that batch who were regular in the class asking me questions. Ma'am, first stress क्या होता है? Per capita क्या होता है? बताओ हमें. Then rule of perpetuity. I still remember. Santosh Swami every day attending the lectures on time. That was a fifth year BA LLB. I entered Bhagobai Thakur College of Law, and my lecture starts with them. Legal language. So what to teach in legal language? They have already done one part during their first year or second year. They also, instead of asking me questions from the curriculum, they were much more interested in what I do. From where did I come? Why do I look so different? So these questions were very well answered by me. That class, giving. Especially I remember two girls, Prerna and Karuna. They started the interaction with me, and उसके बाद Apurva. Then there was another girl, Saroj. Where is she? There. Yes, Saroj. Right here. Yeah, Saroj. Saroj with her cute smile. She used to sit at me. I used to get seduced with her. These were two lovely stories. Then there were two boys. One was Part and the other was Prajwal. Part was a very regular student. No problem with him. Whatever task I am giving, he is doing everything. Problem was with Prajwal. Prajwal had an aura. I learned him. No need to teach me anything. So that aura also was somewhat subdued. He also started respecting me. I also started liking him. Then one day I gave them one homework for a passage. And I asked them, you put an appropriate heading for that passage. And then I was introduced to another beautiful fairy of the class, Aditi Patil. So Aditi, do you remember? Yeah. Even I know, today I will reveal. Prerna's heading was also very good. Karuna's was also very good. But I like the way you presented it. Your presentation was very good. That's why I gave the present to her. You remember the silk doublet? I hope you do. So there are a lot of memories. Each and every day we created memories. keep